Are you looking for the best cookware sets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cookware sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium 8-Piece. When I first tested these non-stick pans from Ninja, I was most impressed by how evenly the 10-inch skillet heated and how well it seared steak. The saucepan simmered tomato sauce well, the handle stayed cool to touch, and there was little to clean up after it was transferred to a storage container. The pots and pans are sturdy with some heft, yet they are lightweight enough to handle and the lids fit nicely. While it works on induction, we found it to not conduct heat as well as some other cookware we tested. How it performed in our tests. The set scored high in ease of cleaning overall, thanks to the superior non-stick, which also allowed eggs to slip out of the pans when cooked with no grease, and the dark exterior that hid any potential stains. While the non-stick coating stood up to dishwasher tests, the aluminum base on the pots and pans unsurprisingly discolored over time. This is common with aluminum. Washing them by hand and drying them well afterwards can help prevent that. The ease of tossing them in the dishwasher, however, outweighed the staining for me, which I found didn't affect performance at all. Number 2. Circulon A1 Series. Non-stick cookware is great for home cooks who don't want to worry about food burning and sticking to their pans. While non-stick cookware has a history of being thin and flimsy, my team and I like how these Circulon pots and pans have some heft to them. The wide, comfortable handles are another plus. This set won a Good Housekeeping Kitchen Gear Award for its performance and user-friendly design. It can be used on induction too. The 8.5-inch fry pan is one I reach for most to make quick, easy breakfasts. I'm also not afraid to put it in the dishwasher. It stood up well. How it performed in our tests. In our lab tests, eggs slid off the 10-inch pan easily when cooked with no grease, and one of our lab analysts has used hers for over a year to make the best omelets ever. Even when used with metal utensils, the non-stick coating has not scratched as promised by the manufacturer, though we did experience a small amount of scratching on the outside of one of the pots in our tests. Steaks seared nicely, too, in our tests, and cleanup was easy after every test. The glass lids are another feature one analyst really liked. Number 3. GreenPan Valencia Pro. Ceramic cookware has evolved over the years from thin pieces you have to replace often to heavy ones clad with stainless steel. This set still stands out to me after years of use, because GreenPan delivers on all of the pros of ceramic-coated cookware: good non-stick properties, lightweight, heats evenly, sears nicely, and cleans up easily. The light-colored interiors stand out aesthetically and help hide inevitable scratches around the rims. They also seem to help the colors of food pop during cooking so you can see it browning better. The handles are one of my favorite parts of this cookware line. They're long and a little wide, and they protrude in the center to fit comfortably in your palm. These pots and pans are incredibly easy to wash and handle. They also store neatly with the help of pan protectors that help prevent scratching. I've used these pieces for about a year in my home, and I've only switched them out to get experience with another cookware set. They're induction-friendly and performed well in all of our tests. Number 4. Tramontina Gourmet Tri-Ply Clad. Tramontina offers one of the best values you can get on high-quality stainless steel cookware. This set comes with all the pots and pans you need to make an assortment of dishes, and they'll last. We've been using the fry pans in our lab for testing for years. In our best cookware tests, the 10-inch fry pan heated evenly and browned steak well. It cleaned up nicely, although the high heat caused some staining. The handles are thick and comfortable to hold. The lids are light but fit each piece well. The rounded edges make stirring enjoyable too. The pieces work well on induction. Number 5. Le Creuset 5-Piece. A Dutch oven is a great piece of cookware to have, even if you already have all of the best pots and pans. They're typically made out of a thick, heavy-duty material that browns meat nicely and retains heat well, so you can use them to braise, simmer, and more. Le Creuset is one of the most popular Dutch oven brands, and I'm a big fan of the brand's Dutch ovens. They're made out of enameled cast iron, which means they can reach high temps like cast iron, but they don't require seasoning or special care like cast iron. Just remember, don't wash enameled cast iron in your dishwasher because it can wear the coating. Cast iron and enameled cast iron also work great on induction. While you can just buy an individual Dutch oven, this set is worth it because a Dutch oven this size, 5.5 quarts, can easily cost around $400 and you get 2 additional pieces for a little more. All of the pieces in this set are designed to last a lifetime.